Hello and welcome. In this video segment I will continue creating the geometry for lesson 2. To start, I will create the 4 0.125 radius arcs and then the 1-inch diameter circle at the center of the part. Let's get started with the geometry. I'm going to move up into Create, slide on down and pick Arc and then Create Arc Polar. There it is. We're prompted Enter center point. Well, the first thing I'm going to do is click in the white box there for X and input a value of 0.5. I'm going to tab over and here we are in the Y section. I'm going to input 2.5. Hit the tab again. Nothing to change in the Z, so I'm just going to hit the tab one more time. Now the prompt changes to sketch the initial angle. So what I'm going to do is click down in the white space for initial angle and set that to 0. I'm going to hit the tab key and now we're over in the end angle field. I'm going to enter a value of 180 degrees and then hit the tab key one more time. Now where we are now is the radius. The radius for these arcs 0.125. Everything's looking good. I'm going to hit enter. And there's our first arc. Looks great. Up on the ribbon bar, I'm going to click on the Apply button. Now on to Arc 2. So again, we're prompted to enter the center point. What I'm going to do is move on up, click in the white space for the X value, and enter 0.5. I'm going to hit Tab. Here we are in the Y. Now for the Y value, 0.5, and hit Tab. Nothing to change in the Z. I'm going to hit Tab again. So here we are in the prompted to sketch the initial angle. So as we did before, I'm going to click in the white space for the start angle, and this time I'm going to input 180. I'm going to hit the Tab key, and here we are in the end angle field. This time I'm going to input 0 and then hit the Tab key one more time. The radius 0.125, and I'm going to hit the enter key. So there's arc number 2. Looks good. Same again up on the ribbon bar. I'm going to click on the Apply button. Now for arc 3. Again, we're prompted enter the center point. So as we've been doing, I'm going to click in the white space for X, and I'm going to input a value of 2.5. Hit the Tab key. For the Y, 2.5. Hit the Tab key again. Here we are in the Z. Nothing to change here. I'm going to hit the Tab key again. Sketch the initial angle. I'm going to click in the white space for the initial angle, the start angle. I'm going to input 0. Hit the Tab key. And for the end angle, 180. I'm going to hit the Tab key again. And for the radius, 0.125. And then, as we've been doing, hit the enter key. I'm going to click on the Apply, and the first 3 arcs look great. On to arc 4. Enter the center point. Let's click in the white space for X. I'm going to input 2.5. Hit the Tab key. Here we are in the Y. I'm going to input 0.5. Hit Tab. We're over in the Z. Nothing to change here. I'm going to hit the Tab key. Now we're prompted sketch the initial angle. I'm going to click in the white space for the start and input 180. Hit the Tab. For the end angle, 0, and then hit the Tab. Here we are in the radius section. I'm going to input 0.125 and then hit enter. Looks good. Looks good. So I'm going to click the Apply, and we're done here in Arc Polar. On the ribbon bar, I'm going to click the check mark for OK. Now for the 1-inch diameter circle at the center of the part. I'm going to move back up into Create, Arc, and I'm going to select Create Circle Center Point. Second one down. The ribbon bar appears and we're prompted to enter the center point. So I'm going to click in the white space for X and input 1.5. I'm going to hit the Tab key. Here we are in the Y. The Y value is 1.5. I'm going to hit the Tab key. Nothing to change in the Z. I'm going to hit the Tab key again. Now, I'm going to click in the white space for diameter, and the diameter of this circle is 1 inch. I'm going to hit the enter key, looks good, and I'm going to move up onto the ribbon bar, click apply, we're all done here, and I'm going to click the OK green check mark, and there's our geometry. That completes this video. Thanks for watching.